Hello, this is Rowan, and I'm playing Mining Simulator. Except I had an idea to mine on Mining Simulator. To mine a huge hole, not just like a hole that goes straight down. No, a very wide hole that does this. This. It's huge. So I got my friend with me, Dragon Temple. You can go. Yeah, he said hello. 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 So we're pretty much gonna help. And if you want to help me out, if you ever want to do that, my username's Rohani, so you can try to search that and maybe try to friend me. Oh, I think some other people are trying to help us. Yay, somebody's helping. That's nice. So deep in here. You can speed up the video if you want to, because I don't know how to speed up video, so you should probably do that. It's almost to the fossil, he said. Yeah. Once we do get to the world, we're gonna get rich. I'm not kidding. Yes, we're on stone, so we're about 9 blocks. So if you can clear out this whole entire thing about 9 times, then that's insane. If you did do that, you should comment down below. Okay, let me sell. I hope I get a new mining tool though. Let's keep on. See, all this started just me though. Nobody was helping until my friend joined, and somebody else just thought it was so cool. Help. If somebody's already done this idea, I don't know if they have. You can tell me. Please don't send hate comments like somebody already done this or something, cause I don't know. Wait a minute. You can dig underneath this. What? I didn't even know that. No, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. No, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. Because that's endless. Yeah. I know it. And also something's funny. He has a Domino's skin, and I have the pizza skin. Like, my shovel came from his thing or something. It's kind of funny. 10 blocks down. Look at this person's strip. Look at it! This is insane! The mine is huge. No. We mined so much. Somebody just did a shocked face. Bragging? Who's bragging? Am I? Me? Me? Okay. By the way, look up here. There's insanely high person on here with 21 rebirths and insane amount of coins and everything. They're not helping us, so if they did, that would be amazing. I really hope we get some ores though. Just getting stoned. Oh no. Where's all the ores? Yes! Yes! I found ore. Yes, we're about to get the ore. Yep, I think we're on ore level. Next level is ore level. I think. Okay, I'm gonna pause this and then I'm gonna unpause one for really deep. Okay, so I'm gonna unpause every single time we get deeper, like one depth deeper. Once we do like another huge thing like this, that's every time I unpause. So I'm gonna do. And where did everybody go? That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, we're on the next one. Next level. I just digged up another one, so. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I hope this becomes a thumbnail, because I can't really pick, because I have only one quarter. But, oh. Look at this. This is huge. Whoa. That leads down on our next layer. You know what? Special thanks to this dude, this girl, Lewis114076. Special thanks, cause look at this. She's helping so much. She's mining the whole thing. Also thanks to that, and my friend Dragon Temple. This layer's done. Next. No, no, it collapsed. It collapsed. No. 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 I hope we get a record. I hope we get a record. Well, thanks for watching.